Ethan was good at his studies, but deep inside his mind, a quiet worry never left him. He often wondered, how can I become the best? How can I truly be successful in life? Day by day, these thoughts made him quieter and sadder. He stopped spending time with friends and stayed alone at home. Seeing this change, Ethan's grandpa grew worried. One calm afternoon, while sitting in the garden, he gently called Ethan closer. "Why have you been so quiet lately?" Grandpa asked. "What is troubling your heart?" Ethan looked at his grandpa and said, "Everyone tells me I must become successful and do something great, but I don't understand. Which path will truly make me a good person?" Grandpa smiled gently. He picked up a simple pencil from the table and held it up. "Ethan," he said, "inside this small pencil are 5 powerful lessons about life." Ethan looked surprised. "A pencil?" he asked. "How can that teach me anything?" Grandpa said, "First, a pencil cannot write on its own. It needs someone to guide it. In life, we also need guidance from parents, teachers, and friends. Second," he continued, "a pencil must be sharpened. It hurts, but it writes better. In the same way, challenges in life shape us into stronger people." Third, Grandpa said, "mistakes can be erased. In life, mistakes are not the end. Learning from them is what matters. Fourth, the most important part of a pencil is the lead inside, not the wood outside. In life, true value comes from inner qualities, honesty, kindness, and integrity." And finally, Grandpa said, "Wherever a pencil goes, it leaves a mark. In life, you should live in a way that leaves a positive mark on others. Let people remember you for the good you bring into their lives." Ethan stayed quiet for a moment. Then his eyes lit up with understanding. "I see it now, Grandpa," he said. "To be the best, it's not about shining on the outside, it's about inner strength and good actions." Grandpa smiled and replied, "That's right, Ethan. If we are willing to learn, even a simple pencil can guide us in life."